a 13 by 6, 18-inch silky straight frontal from AudiJay collections. And I am going to be bleaching this lace today. Before I got started, I did refresh my memory on bleaching lace, and I watched a video by SlayedbyJordan's. So first, I have a leave-in conditioner, and I'm using that to comb the flyaways away so that none of that hair gets bleached and we just have random blonde hairs throughout the frontal. And then I also was trying to oversaturate it just a little bit because I know that hair can only absorb so much, so I was trying to make sure that my lace only got bleached and none of the hair got bleached. I think this tip of putting some leave-in conditioner on your frontal and combing it back is a really good tip. Now I'm getting my mixture ready. I have BW2 bleach and 40 volume developer as always. Now with this mix, normally I probably would have made it just regular and make sure it was even and creamy kinda, but SlayedbyJordan's method, he had a thick mixture, which is again a really good tip, and that is to help make sure that the bleach does not tint anything that is not supposed to be tinted, which is the hair and the frontal, so that we do not have any blonde roots. We don't want blonde roots. So now I'm going to start applying. This is not to be done with any type of pressure. It's supposed to be a light sweeping motion because you don't want to press too hard to where the bleach seeps through. So I covered the frontal and let it sit for about 30 minutes or so. Let's see what we got. So we definitely have bleach laced, but we also have bleach roots. it over processed and leaked through. So watch my next video and see how I correct it. Click the link below.